Well, good afternoon, YouTube. It's going to be like 102, 104 degrees here for the next couple of days. So I figured, why upload videos when it's nice and hot outside when I could upload some older videos it's nice and cold outside. And I'm talking like midwinter. These are videos that I had done for Mule Fishing Supply Company back around January when we had some snow on the ground, and it was a torture test to see how many fish I could catch on one bait. And that was the 1.2 mule minnow, which if you would like to support the channel, check out that very top link in the description. That's my affiliate link with Mule Fishing Supply Company. I get a little bit of a kickback whenever you buy something through that link using just one jig head, one bait. Good afternoon, YouTube. We're back up here on the river fishing. The little creek feeds into it where we did a couple of videos. One was the 40 plus fish on one lure thing that I did for Mule Fishing Supply Company. And yeah, we're just going to really continue that. I've still got that bait tied on. I just need to strip a couple of yards of braid off of there because it's kind of chewed up. But yeah, we're just going to continue on with that one bait, see how many we can get in with that one bait, and have fun with it. Anyway, let's get down here and get fishing. Well, you know what sucks? The water has gone down significantly since day before yesterday. Like, it's gone down probably, shoot, I don't know, probably a foot and a half, which I don't know how well this is going to work now, because we ain't got nearly as much. I see one little fish there, I think. Give it a couple of casts and see how it turns out. Well, there's one. Chill. One little bluegill. There's a fish. Got us another gill. Chill, sir. Oh, both up, sorry. I like cold weather, just not this much of it. I prefer it being just a little bit warmer than it is. Hey, there's another one. That's a problem that I've got right now. It's like the water has gone down, so I can't just drag them over the tops of those logs. Now I'm having to wrestle them around. Well, that kind of worked. That kind of worked on this mini-me. Itty bitty little gill. Yeah, this poor Mule Fishing 1.2 minnow has took a beating. Yeah, it's tore up, but these things are so stupidly durable. And that jig head, which it's not a mule jig head, it's a trout magnet head, it's been putting in work. And I've got my other hand warmer with me today. This one actually stays on. Okay. Well, didn't mean to bang you against that stick. Another tiny little gill. This bait is starting to get to where it's sliding down the hook a little bit, but it's still holding on enough to fish with it. It's a little bit nicer gill. And I'm gonna have to have my pliers for that one. Pretty little fish. Let's get that one back. One more. I'm telling you, these mule baits are stupidly durable. I mean, they're made of the same material as some other well-known, highly used brands. Woo! Nope. I almost lost that one to a tree. That one got kind of wedged a little bit, so I had to wrestle it over. One gill. I'll just have to remember so I don't have to take my phone out. There we go. You are just barely hooked, so do yourself a favor. Pretty crappie. And there's a game warden. But one thing I have noticed with these mule minnows, I don't know if it does the same thing with the bigger ones. And well, no, the tail is just about gone from that one. But I don't know if it does it with the bigger ones, but these smaller ones, if your bait slides down the hook and gets stuck kind of like that, it gives a really weird like, twirling action if you just let it fall. And the fish seem to like it pretty well. Gotcha. Oh. That one, I think this one swirled at it twice, but that's two bluegill we gotta remember. License? Yes, I've got her here somewhere. I saw your truck over there, and usually people fishing over here, so I was like, where'd it go? Yeah, the last couple of days I've been up here, there's been crappie and bluegill just stuck in that one little spot right there. Yeah. Of course, they ain't much bigger than that, but yeah. Well, brother, good luck, man. I'm gonna try to tough her out for a few more minutes. But I got a dumb question. What's the difference between the different color trucks that y'all have? I see some that are this color, some are green. It's got big trucks, new contracts. I got you. I thought it was like different officers or something like that. No, we're all going to the gray, silver kind of thing. Kind of like the gray ones, to be honest with you. Yeah, but I like it. Yeah, they're good. It's something different. Yeah. All right, well, we appreciate it. Yeah, you all right, you too. All right, do we want to go down here? I don't know that we'll be out of the wind any more than we were over here. Actually, I think we'd be in it even more. Yeah, heck with it. We'll go down here for a few minutes. It is friggin' cold. I've got my long johns on this time. I got gloves. I got my hand warmer. I did forget my toboggan, although I do have my neck gaiter wrapped around my ears. But anyway, gotcha. What are you? Ah, you're a little bass head. You are a wee little bass head. I'll get you back. Alright. Once we're done fighting with these gloves, I can't feel my cast and get an accurate cast because of them, so I'll just have to take a break every few minutes and hold on to my hand warmer. There we go. What you is, what you is. I may have to call this one a little bit early because, well, the fish are in fact biting. It's so much colder today than it was yesterday that my braid is freezing, like pretty bad. And we got another one. I'm glad I've got a rag because he probably just got fish dookie or something on my camera. For once I remember to grab one. Y'all dirty? Yes, y'all got slime on you. Whew. Oh, crap. And one hit it and then that one picked it up. Ooh. Got you in the gill a little bit. I'll just have to screenshot one of the other ones. But in the meantime, where's my hand warmer? I'm having to stop every few minutes and hold on to this thing because, like, when the wind ain't blowing, obviously it's one of those when the wind ain't blowing, or if it wasn't for the wind kind of thing, it wouldn't be too bad. But combined with fish slime and all that, my hands are getting cold a lot quicker. Gotcha. I know these fish ain't exactly monsters by a lot of people's standards, but like I've said in videos plenty of times before, and we're gonna go over here to this side since we'll be in the sun a little bit. I'm more about just catching numbers of fish than I am the size of them. Now, I ain't gonna turn down some big ones, that's for dang sure. But I like catching numbers of fish, and in this case, I'm doing a little proving of the durability of a brand that decided to invest their time and product in me and my channel. Oh, what are you? Even bigger gillikin. That one's a nice one right there. That one's probably, well, it's bigger than our average lately. That one's probably getting close to 6 inches. Whew. Yeah, coming over here, the wind is definitely more direct. Like, we got it coming off the water, so that extra cold temperature is just making it that much worse. Oh, what do we got here? Compared to what we've been catching the last couple of days, that's a nice little bass. Get you back. We got something a little bit nicer here. Not by a lot, but it counts. Got us a Make Daddy crappie. Pretty. Feels like 14. I don't believe in the whole wind chill thing, so if it feels like 14, then it's 14 degrees outside. Yeah, it's just cold, and I need to strip more line off of this from rubbing against the rocks, and the ice buildup on the line is putting some nasty stuff on the braid. So I'm gonna saw out, and we'll continue this little outro in just a minute. Well, y'all, I toughed it out as long as I could. This wind and these cold temperatures this morning, or this afternoon I should say, just more than what I want to deal with. But this little 1.2 mule minnow has definitely taken a beating. It's still got a lot of life left in it, so we're going to use it probably in our next video. And we're just going to drag this thing down until it just will not hold on to the hook at all. So anyway, I hope you like this fairly short, probably for a fairly short video. I don't know.